That's right. So it should, ultimately, to your point, Ron, it should make everything more affordable, right? Because you're cutting down the hours that you need to hire other subcontractors or experts or whatever. And they should still be involved in the process, but it should be able to drive more efficiency into the process.
Yeah, I love your example of code regulations, like just coming in, like a simple question like that, being able to get, like, I think there's so much stuff that's complex in construction, like we just need simplicity. And like something like that, where like code regulations is very complex, but to be able to just simply ask that question and then get those answers back, and then you have a clear understanding without, I mean, back in my day, you just dig through the code book and you try to figure it out. And then you go talk to your building officials and code officials, and you'd be like, this is what I'm reading. Is this how you interpret this? And go back and forth. But with the use case for AI, there's just go in and then it finds it, and you can simply present that case then, instead of having to
Yeah,
do all this research. And like you said, that will then drive down the cost, because it wasn't cheap to have me doing all this research to figure out what we can do and what we can't do.
that's right. That's right.
Even a homeowner could go start to find out what is actually feasible and what's not.
That's exactly right. Yeah. And get much smarter about what they're going to invest in in terms of their project and where they're headed. You can get even quotes from it. Like you can say, what is it going to take to get my house? Then I'm going to go with the same example. So like, what is it going to take to get my house to net zero? What if I just get it, like 30% more efficient or whatever the case may be? And get smarter. And that way that puts that information in your hands before you go to a contractor. And then you can say, this is where I want to head. And contractors, I mean, if they're doing work in a lot of different municipalities, there might be different building codes, there might be different policies, whatever the case may be, where it makes it really onerous on them to have to learn these different things. So if the public, the actual homeowner, is pushing through more sustainability or more efficiency or whatever, we're all going to be able to progress more rapidly. Or maybe it's smart home technology. Like a contractor can't know everything about smart home tech. I mean, no, I mean, it actually is just like that. It's coming out so fast and furious that it's hard for anybody to wrap their arms around it, even if you're an expert in the field.